So today somebody on LinkedIn said, buy a car, hire a driver and put it on Ola or Uber and make great passive income. I want to see if that actually holds true and let's break down the numbers. So I'm looking at the cheapest car, Maruti Suzuki CNG. The cost is 8 lakh rupees. Now I have a good credit score. I get it for 5 years at 8%. My EMI comes out to be 16,000 rupees a month. Every day the driver would be running 300 kilometers or so. Usage for the 26 days is going to be 7,800 kilometers. 4 days is going to be the rest. Now, Ola per kilometer is going to pay me 10 rupees. Revenue per month is going to be 7,800 kilometer multiplied by 10. 78,000 rupees is my revenue. But before we come to any conclusions, let's look at the expenses per month. Driver salary 20,000, CNG 15,000, insurance 1,000, EMI 16,000 rupees a month. Total expenses 52,000 rupees a month. Now my monthly profit is 78,000 rupees minus 52,000 rupees comes out to be 26,000 rupees. Not a lot, right? Considering I invested 8 lakh rupees in buying the car. Now, if you add maintenance, compliance issues, policy changes, driver cancelling on you, and even the wear and tear of the car, so many things can go wrong. And the fact that after 5 years, this is going to be sold to Kabadi Wale Bhaiya for 0 rupees or 10,000-20,000 rupees. This looks very gloomy. This does not look like a good passive income. So let me know in the comments your thoughts. How do you feel about this?